Welcome to Abaton.com, where today we are addressing our hand and finger PMS. Today we're going to talk about our strength, and this one is more specific to getting strength in the hands and fingers. So the other strengthening exercises are more for endurance and for blood flow to promote healing. This one's more for just getting muscle and strength through your fingers and your hands. And this one's really pretty easy. All you're doing is you're going to get these weights, you're going to hold them out in front of you, and you're going to let the weights roll to the end of your fingers, and then you're going to roll them back up. There's different ways of doing this, obviously, so you can do different amount of weight. You can change that because you want this to be pretty much pain-free. If you have hand or finger pain, you want to keep it uncomfortable or pain-free. You don't want it sharp pains or really painful. So you can do it out like this. You can drop your hands down even further and let gravity work on you even more. Go out those fingers, roll it up. This one's really nice because as much weight as you can tolerate is what you can do. You want to get to the point where 10 to 15 reps makes you tired and makes it burn. And that's what we're shooting for. And so this isn't one where you're doing 20, 30 reps, a little bit heavier weight, a little bit more intense, keep it pain-free, but this is a great way to get strength through your fingers, your grip, and your hands, and prevent injury as well as get better from injury.